So here's the first finger picking lesson in Travis picking. What we're going to do is get the fingers lined up on the strings, and we're going to do something called planting the fingers. And that means that the fingers start off touching the strings. They don't come at them from the air, but they start off. So my fingers will be, my thumb will be on the 6th string, my index finger will be on the 2nd string, and my middle finger will be on the 1st string. Now, if you look at the chart that lists the Travis picking, you'll see for a G chord, we're going to do 6 and 4. That means the 6th string and the 4th string over and over and over and over. That's Travis picking. Okay, so the goal here is to play this and to do it and talk like I'm doing, do multiplication tables, sing a song, read a book out loud, do it so it's automatic and study like a clock ticking. I'm doing 6, 4, 6, 4. And all the time I'm doing that, my thumb is playing, but my index and middle fingers are attached to the string. Notice my hand is over the sound hole. Next, I'm going to take my thumb and then insert my index finger after my thumb, then thumb on 4, and then my middle finger. So it will be thumb, index, thumb, middle, and then the plant. So there'll be this pause with the plant afterwards. It's thumb, index, thumb, middle, plant. Thumb, index, thumb, middle, plant. That's the G chord. Now once this gets going, it takes on a whole different character. I'll pick it up gradually and you'll hear the sound change. And I have time to do the plant here when it's slow. It doesn't affect the sound. Once I get it going, the plant and the play will become the same. And you'll see that just goes on and on and on and on like that. It's a little boring because we have some better ones in the future, but this is a good starting one. Now, on the right-hand column, you'll see that it says C, it says a D, it says E minor and A minor. The numbers after those tell you what strings the thumb plays. Everything else stays the same. So if I go to a C chord, my thumb is playing 5 and 3. Okay? And it just does that automatic again. And I'm still going to put in the index after the first thumb and middle after the second thumb. Plant, I'll do now with the plant. Plant, thumb, index, thumb, middle, plant. Thumb, index, thumb, middle, plant. Thumb, index, thumb, middle, plant. Okay? As I speed it up, once I get it going, I want to practice switching the chords. And carrying on, it helps to be in tune. Sorry about that, a little loud. But this guitar's not really well in tune. But go back and forth. Alright, and then D chord is 4 and 3. Oops. Alright. A minor is 5 and 3. 5 and 4, excuse me. The thumb going, and the E minor 6 and 3. Notice that the thumb doesn't use any left-hand notes, so if your fingers get sore or tired, you can practice this one and still benefit the right hand movement for the Travis picking. Now the nice thing about this is these patterns give you all the combinations, or most of the combinations, of the right hand strings. So you're teaching the thumb to go all these different places by using these different chords with it. That should do it for now. Have fun with these. Call me if you have any questions, and I'll be glad to answer them. Or send me an email, georgegesick@me.com.